Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Today's video is going to be very special as the Indian Air Force would be eagerly waiting for the news of Dassault Rafale fighters taking off from France. Yes, today is the day during which the first batch of Rafale fighters would take off from the production facility of Dassault Aviation in France. So how are these Rafale fighters getting delivered all the way from France to Indian Air Base? We will get into more details about the same in this particular video. As mentioned above, the first batch of Rafale fighters would take off from the production facility of Dassault Aviation. And just for a halt, it would be stationed in the French Air Base near Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. Such a distance from France to UAE would obviously need mid-air refueling, and this is going to be taken care by the Airbus 330 multi-role tanker transport aircraft. Just to give a quick intro about the aerial refueler, the Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport is an aerial refueling tanker aircraft based on the commercial Airbus A330. The speciality of this particular aircraft that it is designed as a dual-role air-to-air refueling and transport aircraft. Now coming back to the Rafale delivery journey from France, post-halting in UAE for some time or for a night, these Rafale fighters would take off and would fly to the Ambala Air Force Station in Haryana. This is where the first set of Rafale would be stationed, and the squadron which will be hosting these first batch of Rafale fighters is number 17 Squadron, which is also known as the Golden Arrows. Another good thing is that these Rafale fighters would be deployed for operational mode within a week, and this urgency is due to the multiple prolonged standoff with China near Ladakh region. Normally, deployment of fighters for combat mode usually takes 6 months, but this time it would be reduced to handle the current situation. Group of Indian pilots have been trained by the French Defense Forces and French pilots, and they have complete understanding of the fighters, its handling, features, and etc. They are still being trained for the multiple combat mode, and this would be done on urgency basis so that these pilots can operate the Rafales once it is deployed for operations. Even though we already saw the details about the missiles which would be powering the Rafale, but let us quickly run through the same. First is the most trending missile recently, which is the Hammer missile. Even though initially the plan was to integrate the Israel's Spice 2000 missile with Rafale, but due to early operation deployment of Rafale, a decision was taken to buy the Hammer, which the Rafale is already configured to fire. The other two missiles, which we already know, are the MBDA Meteor air-to-air missile, which is a long-range rocket and ramjet powered air-to-air missile. With a range of about 150 kilometers, this missile can attack an enemy aircraft without even crossing the Indian airspace. Coming to the other one, which is a Scalp air-to-ground missile, which is again manufactured by the European firm MBDA. These missiles are meant to strike deep even in areas and without crossing the Indian airspace. So these were the quick update on the Rafale fighter jets journey all the way from France to India, and we also revisited the details about the missiles that would be powering these most awaited fighter jets of Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video once the Rafale reaches India. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.